mention that. One of the things I enjoy in the ethics workshop, it's one of the first steps of the day's program, is to take the moral barometer of the organization that you belong to. It's high pressures, it's low pressures. And I get people to do a questionnaire about the ethical culture of the organization where they work. And it's amazing to see similarities and differences. Usually the differences are where management thinks everything's great, and then some of the ordinary staff think that management itself could do with a little bit of ethics development. My name is Dr. Larry Kaufmann. I've got a PhD in applied ethics with a focus on ethics in context, where you live, where you work, and how we go about improving the ethical culture of our immediate surroundings. I do that in a 7-step interactive program which involves you, the participant, in contributing to the collective ethical wisdom that we seek.